Hello traders, welcome to my channel, and today we try our best of trades with 6 pairs at a time. Just check it out. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here the market already reached the level, and here as I place a put, and here also put, here go up, here go up, here go up, here is also up. Let's check how many trades I will won. And here is the tip, because the market is already seller's area and this is the long candle, that's why I place a put here, and the market will continue up to this level, that's why I place a call here, and here also a resistance, that's why I put here, and here also call, and here also call. Okay, I just won 4 trades and 2 loss, and this one is very lost, second I lost this trade, and this is also the resistance level, that's why I place a put here, but it went up. Okay, this is this type of very fast analyzing. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.